All right, guys. This is gonna be the final part of this project for this paper airplane report. So what I did is I put a link to this Google Doc on my classroom there, and your goal is to fill this all in as your final kind of piece of that project. So let me just walk you through the parts of this so you can know what I expect. So please watch this video so you know what I expect for each part. Uh, First off, your name and a date, but you're going to go down here to the goal. You got to put at least like a little paragraph of what the goal of this project was. What were you trying to accomplish, and that, just be brief there, but tell about what you were trying to do and how you kind of went about it, thinking about it. The build, here you got to put the pictures of your actual planes that you built, okay, not just pictures of something online. You need to give me a picture of the planes you built. So if you didn't do that, you need to go back and rebuild them. If you didn't take pictures of yours and get those here, because I expect to see the planes that you built. And then under each plane or underneath your picture, can you give me a detail of each plane? Some of you guys did this already. You just got to copy and paste it. But if you didn't, a couple of sentences under each plane explaining what the plane is, how it's built a little bit. You can do more than 2 sentences there if you want. You can go above and beyond all of this stuff. I'm just giving you the minimum. Your data, just put your table here of all your data that you collected. I want to see all three planes, all the 12 throws. Also include the mean, medium, quartiles, which again, a lot of you guys did this already. You just got copy and pasted in there. So I can see it all together here. Your data display, which is just copy or paste that here actually. Paste your box plot in this area. If you want to show any other displays, say you want to do a bar graph or something like that, that would be fine too, but you got to at least have your box plot in there that you made. And then underneath any display, can you explain what it's showing? Okay, specifically on a box plot, I need to know which one flew the furthest based on the display, and also which one was the most consistent, because that's one thing box plots tell you, is how consistent your data is. Remember, if the box is more compacted, that means all your data was closer together. If your box is more spread out on that box plot, it means your data is more spread out. It wasn't as consistent. So please comment, talk about that in that area there. And then your conclusion, just tell me what you learned from this project. This is kind of the big paragraph, at least 5 sentences here. And, things you can talk about here. I gave you some suggestions. What made certain planes fly the farthest? What things did you do, to make it fly the farthest, or what caused it to fly the farthest? What were there some variables that caused your data to not be consistent? Okay, think about what things made your data maybe not as consistent as it could have been. For example, wind, how you threw it, it was a factor. Talk about that stuff. And then maybe what would you do different if you had to do this over as far as designing these planes? Okay, so your goal for this week is just to fill this whole thing in and then turn it in on Google Classroom. Okay, hopefully you guys are all doing well. See you soon.